In this video, I'll be showing you how to create your music page or the release page. Okay, so we have already created our artist page that we can see, but if you can see, we have also have many new fields like bio page, video page, as well as the SoundCloud page. We can also add some new pages like release page or the music page and the event page also. For example, if you see the related artist, which is a demo data, if you see the page, you can see that this page has events page, okay, video page, also the album page, and if you click on the play, the music will automatically start to play. Okay, so now let's get started with the music page creation. So now let's click on new and we can see a release. Click on the release and now we will start to create our music page. So let's have a title for our music like my first music, description as this is music description, awesome music, good. So this is the description. You can customize it like the way you want. You can add header or you can also add some extra media table, change the text color. See how to change the text color, select the text that you want to change, toggle the toolbar, you can see text options. Yeah, so this is done. You can set a genre like ambient dance or add your new genre like the way you want. Now this is a featured image that when people will be seeing your release page, they will be able to see that thumbnail. Let me try to find something from the downloads. So let me see. Okay, so let's use this as the music thumbnail. And also let's try to upload the music as we will need it in the future on this page. Let's try to find the music. Music should be in MP3. Okay, this is an MP3. Open it. So it will take some time. Let's wait and change the music artist to Shashank. Okay, this is the artist. So this artist page will be linked to this music page. Okay, this is the thumbnail. We have got label. You can try to use the same label or anything else. Release date, pick anything. Now this is the most important. Let's try to choose the file now, but you can see the music is still being uploaded, so let's wait for some time. Okay, the music has been added. The music title will be automatically taken. Also the artist will be automatically taken. I can add my name also, and that's it. We're ready. If you want to choose a background, you can add a background also, and we are done. Let's go back, publish it, and our first music is ready. Let's see the music page. So this is the music page. You can see this is the music thumbnail. This is the background. This is the description. This is the related musics, social media. Let's try to click it.